Here is a Honda pressure washer. And the motor won't turn over. The guy said it was the pump down there. See it? The oil. It's not locked up or anything. Those bolts are seized up on it. I can't get them off. Watch this. Nothing. Completely locked up. Because it's by Honda. These are pretty good pressure washers. Overhead cam. They're all taken apart and disassembled and whatnot. That's the pressure washer nozzle. You're wondering what that is. That's the thing I made a review on. That weed eater. Here's a flywheel. Every time I try to move it, it doesn't move. I don't know what the heck's happening. I think there's a shaft down in there somewhere. That when that shaft's supposed to spin there, it's locked up on there. I'll end this video now. I was just telling y'all about this problem I've been having with this pressure washer. It's probably the pump. It's seized up. Alright, I'll get on to y'all about this Honda pressure washer later on this. I'll make another video about it when I get it running. Alright, bye, YouTube.